Hey Sam, do you like your new toy?
Yes.
Yeah. Wow, what's that?
It's a princess toy
Princess toy.
from me.
From? Who did it come from? Who gave it to you?
And Whoppy.
Ninang Blappy. Wow, look at that. What's that? What are you holding?
Toys.
Toys, yeah. Oh, look at all those princesses. And can you open the castle? Can you see what? Oh wow, see, you're gonna fix up the castle.
Oh,
And look, Sam, what are these? What are these?
Stickers.
Wow. Are you excited?
That's Beauty and the Beast.
Mm-hmm. What else? What else is there? Who else is there besides Beauty and the Beast? Who are the princesses over there? Can you tell me who the princesses are?
Aurora.
Mm-hmm.
Jasmine.
Mm-hmm.
And this is Ariel.
Mm-hmm.
And this is Belle.
Mm-hmm.
But they don't twist. What's Jasmine?
I think Jasmine's still in India, sweetheart. Mumbai. All right, say thank you, Ninong Blappy.
Thank you, Nina Whoppy.
Look at me. Look at the camera.
Thank you, Nina Whoppy.
Say, can't wait for the next big one.
I can't wait for the next big one.
Yeah.